Hi, Tyson Mutrux here with the Mutrux Law Firm. Today I want to go over the basic process of how an attorney handles a speeding ticket. All we do is we get a citation from you as the client, and we take it and we actually have the prosecutor give us a recommendation, whether it's through the mail or in person. We ask them to give us a recommendation. And in many cases, what they'll do is they'll reduce it down to a non-point violation, and you'll pay a fine on that. In some instances, you'll have to do court supervision in Illinois. Missouri, you may have to do some sort of traffic school to get that. Every court's different, but in the vast majority of the courts, especially in Kansas City and St. Louis, throughout the state really, they'll actually amend it down to a lower point violation or a non-point violation in exchange for the payment of a fine. If you have any questions about that, give us a call at 888-550-4026 or check us out at MutrixLaw.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.